Hey musicians, welcome back to Miss Eichbert's Music Space. Thanks so much for moving, singing, playing, and creating music with me while we're all at home. Let's dive into today's fun song. It's a chant. I love musical chants. It's sort of like rapping. This song is stolen from one of my favorite musicians, John Feierabend. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Making music in the kitchen. So grab a pot, grab a spoon, and some veggies, anything you want to add to it. Here we go. Make sure to keep a steady beat as you go. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What there is left, we'll put in the pot. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Now let's go out to the garden and grab some veggies to go in our pot. What should we put?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes it is. And we're stirring, stirring. Tomatoes, 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 tomatoes. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What there is left, we'll put in the pot. Chop, chop, chippity chop. And we're stirring, stirring. Broccoli, my favorite. Broccoli, broccoli. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What there is left, we'll put in the pot. Chop, chop, chippity chop.
Sweet peppers.
And we're stirring, stirring. Well, I'm glad they're sweet. I don't like hot things. Sweet peppers, sweet peppers. Chop, chop, chippity chop. Cut off the bottom and cut off the top. What there is left, we'll put in the pot. Chop, chop, chippity chop. It's so fun because you get to create how the song goes. It's shout out time. I want to give a quick shout out to the following students for showing me how you're making music at your home. Thank you, Amashle. Thank you, Rylan. And also thank you to Caleb and his family for giving me a lift up this week and showing me how you're making awesome music with your family. Okay, it's your turn. What are we gonna add to the pot? Chop, chop, chippity chop. Happy chopping, everyone. Don't use a real knife.